Hey guys, welcome back to WB English Connect. Today's video is a very special one because today we're going to talk about something that all of you can relate to. And if you are someone who feels shy, embarrassed or nervous speaking in English, or if you know someone who does, this video is for you. So before we begin, please like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. So have you ever looked at a big thick English textbook and felt completely overwhelmed? Or maybe you've been in an English class and found it hard to follow what the teacher was saying, or perhaps you've wanted to speak English fluently but were too scared to try. If you answered yes to any of these questions, you're not alone. According to research, millions of people around the world struggle to learn English because they feel anxious or worried when they use it. They're afraid of making mistakes, being judged or humiliated and ultimately failing. But don't worry, in today's video we will discuss why English is not that tough. We'll share some helpful tips and techniques that can help you overcome your fear of English and start speaking it confidently. So without further ado, let's get started. Let me ask you a question. Why do so many people find it difficult to speak English? Is it because English is such a complicated language? No, not really. Is it because English has too many rules? Well, not necessarily. The truth is that many people struggle to learn English because they're afraid of making mistakes. They're afraid of looking stupid, sounding awkward, or being laughed at. They're afraid of failing. Basically, they're afraid of themselves. You see, speaking English is not just about knowing grammar rules and vocabulary. It's about being able to communicate effectively and confidently. It's about being able to express yourself, share your ideas, and connect with others. And to do that, you need to believe in yourself. You need to have confidence in your ability to speak English. But here's the good news. Confidence is not something you're born with. It's something you can learn. It's something you can develop over time through practice, persistence, and positive thinking. So next time you find yourself worrying about your English, remember this: English is not the enemy. It's a friend, it's a tool that can open doors for you, it's a skill that can help you achieve your goals, and most importantly, it's a language that can connect you to people from all over the world. Now let's move on to some practical tips that can help you improve your spoken English. Tip number 1, believe in yourself. I know this might sound easy, but it's not. Many people have negative beliefs about themselves and their abilities. They think they're not good enough, smart enough, or talented enough to learn English. But the truth is that everyone can learn English if they set their mind to it. Everyone can become fluent in English if they practice consistently and don't give up. So believe in yourself, believe in your ability to learn English, believe in your ability to speak English confidently. Tip number 2, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of the learning process. They're how you learn and grow. They're how you become better at speaking English. So don't be afraid to make mistakes. Don't be afraid to sound awkward or look stupid. Be afraid to try, to fail, to learn, and to succeed. Remember, no one becomes fluent in English without making mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Everyone stumbles, everyone falls, everyone learns. So make your mistakes, learn from them, and keep moving forward. Tip number 3, start small. Many people want to learn English quickly and easily. They want to go from the basic level to the advanced level in a short amount of time. But the truth is that learning a language takes time. It takes patience and it takes dedication. So start small. Start with the basics. Start with the alphabet, with common phrases, with everyday vocabulary. And as you progress, you'll find yourself improving your spoken English little by little. Tip number 4, don't compare yourself to others. Comparing yourself to others is a surefire way to make yourself feel bad. It's a surefire way to make yourself feel like you're not good enough or smart enough or talented enough. But the truth is that everyone learns differently. Everyone learns at their own pace. So don't compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to yourself. See how you're doing today compared to how you were doing yesterday. See how you're progressing, how you're growing, how you're improving. Tip number 5, enjoy the process. Learning a new language should be fun. It should be challenging, but it should also be enjoyable. So enjoy the process, enjoy the challenge, enjoy the journey, celebrate your successes, learn from your failures, and keep moving forward. Now let's add some motivation to these tips with some inspirational quotes. Quote number 1, "The only thing we have to fear is fear itself." This is a quote by Franklin D. Roosevelt, the 32nd President of the United States. He said this during his first inaugural address on March 4, 1933. At that time, the United States was facing a severe economic crisis. People were losing their jobs, their homes, and their hope, but Roosevelt didn't want them to give in to despair or to let fear control them. He wanted them to be brave, to be strong, and to trust in themselves and in him. And he told them, "The only thing we have to fear is fear itself." This quote applies to learning English as well. Many people let their fear of failure or embarrassment hold them back from speaking English. They let fear prevent them from trying or from taking risks or from expressing themselves. But fear is not something we should fear. Fear is something we should face head-on and overcome, because when we overcome our fear, we discover our strength, our courage, and our confidence. Quote number 2, "If the tongue is afraid, no country can be free." This proverb highlights the importance of speaking out, of using your voice, of not being afraid to express yourself. It also shows that if you want to be successful in life, you must take risks, you must step outside of your comfort zone, and you must say what you think and feel. So remember, English is not something we should fear. It's something we should embrace, something we should enjoy, something we should love. As we wrap up today's discussion, I want to leave you with one final thought. English is not just a language. It's a gateway to opportunities, a key to success, a bridge to cultures, and a source of empowerment. When you speak English, you open yourself up to a world of possibilities. You connect with people from different backgrounds. You access more education and career options. You become more adaptable and independent, and you gain a new perspective on the world. Speaking English is not about being superior or inferior. It's about being equal and inclusive. It's about being able to communicate with anyone, anywhere, anytime. It's about being able to understand and be understood. It's about being able to share your ideas and learn from others. It's about being able to make friends and build relationships. It's about being able to travel and explore. It's about being able to help and inspire. It's about being able to serve. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Also, let us know in the comments below what you thought of the video and what tips or quotes you would like to share with others. Once again, thank you for watching today's video. We'll see you next time. Until then, keep practicing your English, keep believing in yourself, and keep achieving your dreams. This is WB English Connect, where fear ends and your English journey begins. Subscribe now. Learn English, live confident.